Okay, so how do we create a product and sell inside a sales funnel? In our previous video, we shown how to create your first product, but let's go again. So you just go into the store, products, and you can create your first product by clicking on add product. Physical, digital, service, or membership type of a product you can create. And here we have a few examples. So when we created the product, how do you actually sell it in a sales funnel? The sales funnels are so great because they're focused about that specific product or a few set of products that you can sell inside. This is amazing for campaigns, and you can do amazing things such as A/B split testing, one-click upsells and downsells, bump offers, and all these cool things. So let me show you how to get started. Click on the funnel settings on the funnel icon. So by clicking on create a funnel, you can start your first sales funnel. Now, the first designs that you see will be the sales funnels, most likely. So you can select a design that suits what you need. If you're selling one product, you have great templates like this. Some of them are for physical products, for digital products, for services, but they can be fully customized. So you can select any design that you like. Some of them have more than one product, so you can play around and see which one suits the needs of your type of product that you're selling. Alright, so let's say that you're selling a physical product and it is, let's say, one product that you want to sell in a campaign. Let's select this design. This is very good for a single product. So let's click on select and add a name to it. Just click on save, and just like that we've created our first sales funnel. Now, by creating a funnel like this, it will be automatically outside of the website. So this is completely separate from the website, and it has its own domain, its own integrations, its own store products and payments and everything. So if you want to keep it like this, completely separated from website, so be it. You can modify it the way you want. But if you want to share all the products and all the information from a website, you can just set it inside that website. And how do you do it? You go into your funnels list, or you can go just click here and go into the funnel that you want to move inside the website. Click on the three dots and just select move inside a website in this project. Now select the website that you want to move it to. In our case, the yoga website. And that's it. With these few clicks, we've created a funnel and we added it inside our website. And as you can see, it is inside the website. And it will share the same header, the same products that we've created, the same integrations, the same CRM as well. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, in your landing page, this is where the magic happens. This is where you convince the customer that this product is the product that they want to buy. So you add beautiful images about the product, really nice and catchy headlines about it, and really clear call to actions, as in this case. Also about the different benefits, the materials maybe. It really depends on what kind of a product you're selling, but testimonials are very important as well, because they show that other customers have enjoyed the product and they give it great reviews. And again, always finish with a call to action, which is the next step to buy the product. As you can see, this funnel doesn't have any distractions, and that's the idea behind the funnels, to get the people from the landing page to the checkout right away without add to cart and any unnecessary distractions, and then purchase the product. Okay, so let's say that we set it up, we uploaded our information, and we just go into the checkout. The checkout is where the magic happens. This is where the actual purchase is being made. So this is the checkout widget. This is where the customer will actually enter their information and pay for it. So how do you actually select the product that you'll be selling? Just double click on the checkout or select the product button. There you have the option to select the product that you want to sell or to cart checkout. So if you had on the previous step a few products with add to cart, they will be just automatically pre-filled as products. But here, let's just select the product that we want to sell. And let's say to be the physical product that we created in our store. And that's it. We've selected to sell this product that is the whole funnel is about. In this case, it is a bed, but yeah, it can be yoga, it can be physical, digital product, whatever it is. You also have the option to make it one-step checkout. In this case, we have two steps. But if you have it even simpler with one step, do it like this. So you have all the information being displayed on one page. If it's too big of a form, again, you can just switch it into two steps. But however you decide. You also have different options as for styling, etc. So it's really easy to edit everything. You also have the option to add a bump offer. Bump offer is like a quick upsell of a product that you want to sell right away. Let me show you. So let's say that you want to upsell a product for a yoga class, just for the example, and add some name. Yes, I want to buy this class, for example, and just like that you've added the bump offer, and like that you see that the bump offer will be added to the bidding section right before you make the checkout. So let's make it one step so you can see the product itself. We didn't add any information, so that's why it's empty, but you can add anything that you want. And when a customer clicks on it, it will actually add it as an upsell type of thing to the actual it will update the price and they will complete and purchase the product. So yeah, this is how simple it is to do so. Select the product and start selling it, and even have a bump offer. Now, of course, the beauty of it is that you can completely modify everything, unlike the store. So here you can modify the image, you can modify the countdown, the proposition, you can add some testimonials as well. We have different checkout pages that you can see. For example, you can add a new checkout page, but if you don't like this one, you can select one of the many different checkouts that we have, with different designs and different things such as testimonials here and there, information about the product. So however you want to do it. You also have the option to add an upsell and downsell, and this is really powerful. So if you have a checkout and you want somebody after purchasing the product with one click to purchase another product that is kind of connected to the one that you are selling, just click on add upsell product, select a page, and let's say something of this design, add a name and click on add, and just like that we've added an upsell. Here you can select the product that you want to upsell, and that's it. You can now upsell this product. Let's hide the footer and header and click on save. So now whenever somebody purchases this product, the next step that will go is this page. So you bought the product, all right, do you want to also buy this one for X amount of money? And by clicking on this button, it will automatically purchase the product and add it to the whole order without them even having to enter their information again. So this is how simple it is. You'll see all the information about the sales, the orders, the products, the upsells and downsells, and it's everything here in your fingertips. So it is really easy and powerful to do so. And building either in a normal website or in a funnel, you have amazing partner in our face, which helps you make the most of your visitors. And the sales funnel is great for that, because if you're doing a campaign for a specific product, this is the easiest way to convert the most of your customers. Because unlike an e-commerce website, it doesn't have distractions, it doesn't have unnecessary information, it's fully focused to convert the customer from a visitor, to convert the visitor into a customer. Alright, so these are the sales funnels in a nutshell. Of course, we have great videos about in more details how to do all the different things. But this is it. If you like it, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate and let us know. I hope that you enjoyed them, and I hope that you sell a lot of products with the funnels and the e-commerce.